Hello everyone. As you all know that the Council for the ICSE board has released a specimen question paper for the semester 2 examinations which are to be held in this year in the month of March and April. So based on that specimen question paper, Goyal brothers Prakashan have released a set of 12 books on different subjects. So this is the book for computer applications. This is a question bank with model test papers. Let me quickly take you through the book. What is this book all about? To start with, this book has chapter-wise summary and question bank. This book also has the specimen question paper which is solved for semester 2 examinations issued by CISCE. Also, this book has model test papers based on the latest specimen question paper issued by CISCE for the semester 2 examinations which are to be held in this year in the month of March and April. So let me take you through the book, how the book has been designed. So to start with, in the starting, the complete syllabus is given. Please note that this is the reduced syllabus for academic year 2021 and 22. So here you can see the complete syllabus is given. After the complete syllabus, the bifurcated syllabus is given for semester 1 and semester 2 examinations. As we all know, both the semesters are for 50-50 marks each. We will be talking about semester 2 since this book is based on semester 2 examinations. So after the syllabus and the bifurcated syllabus, we come to the contents. The contents of this book are divided into 3 different sections. Section A is the question bank, Section B is the specimen question paper, and Section C is the model test papers. In Section A, the question bank, all the units are given which are in the semester 2 examination syllabus, and the question bank is given along with them. Let us see the units, how they are designed. So here, this is Unit 5, Library Classes, Chapter 1, Class Libraries. So if you can see, in the starting, all the important points are given. If you note, all the important points are given point-wise and not in a paragraph. The only reason for giving such a way of giving points is that the child can recapitulate the complete chapter in a very short while. So, all the important points are given here in the starting of the chapter. After the important points or summary, you can say, the question bank is there. The question bank is a solved question bank and various sections are there. So this is section A, the objective type questions. These are all multiple choice questions. The solutions are given along, you can see all the solutions are given here for the multiple choice questions. After that, this is section B. Again, all the questions are accompanied with the solutions. Let me also tell you, these questions are based on the specimen question paper which is released by the council. It is almost in a similar manner. The question bank has been made very thoughtfully, taking in mind the specimen question paper. Now, you can see section B, all the solutions are provided along with the questions. So there are almost 12 to 15 questions. See, there are almost 14 questions in this section. So the question bank is rich in questions for the students to practice. After this, we come to section B of the book, which is specimen question paper solved. Now, this is the paper which is released by CISCE for this year's semester 2 examinations. So you can see this is the solved question paper, specimen question paper released by the council itself. So here's the specimen question paper. The solutions are provided along with the questions. After that, we come to the section C part of the book, which is the model test papers. Now, in the model test papers, these are all unsolved papers. There are almost 4 to 5 model test papers, all unsolved. The model test paper is strictly based on the latest specimen question paper released by CISCE. Alright, so this is the model test paper unsolved. You can see it is exactly like this specimen question paper, keeping all the questions and the pattern in the mind. So this is the model test papers. After this, the book ends. But if you want to visit the website, you can find some more question banks on different subjects and more model test papers. So if you want to visit the website, you can visit www.goyal-books.com. Thank you so much.
Now, subscribe to Bright Duty course at ₹1 per day only. Download Bright Duty app from Play Store and get the online courses prepared by competent and experienced teachers for different education boards of classes 6 to 10. Bright Duty courses are available for the subjects of Math, Science, Social Science, English and Hindi in English and Hindi medium. Bright Duty follows 3-step approach, that is learning, assessment and exam preparation. In learning, topic-wise video lectures with explanation of concepts and discussion of textbook examples and questions are available with the solutions. In assessment, topic-wise online MCQ test, practice assignments and chapter-wise question bank are available with the solutions. In exam preparation, previous year's question papers, sample papers and model test papers are available with the solutions. Sign up today on Bright Tuesday and avail your courses at affordable prices.